Hi, good evening, everybody. Today I back uh, to practice speaking English skills. Okay, so that's why we know very well. Yesterday we said I am going to be practice how to speak English in 45 days. Yes, and I told you only I do practice how to speak English and improve speaking English skills. So I decided daily 15 minutes speaking English. So yesterday I talk about how to practice speaking English daily 15 minutes. Today also I came to you all with one of the most important news. So that's why here, before entering the news, I want to share one of the best memory. Okay, here we know very well how the people are trying to stepping down us. So in this process, the people are failing to stepping down someone. In my personal experience, once one person said, I am not able to understand if speak in English, and I am not able to speak in English with her, and I don't know how to chat with her. I don't know Facebook, what the hell. She abused me like this. Then from that day up to right now, I remembered that words again and again because I am trying to forget it, but no use. Still, it's reminder me I'm not able to speak English. I'm not able to speak English. So that's why I am still being jobless. So this is one kind of disease. Okay, okay, leave it about. Yesterday, I decided strongly, keeping with my hand on my heart, I speak English before 2021. So that's why I come to in front of you all. Okay, leave it about. Don't bother about my past. Today, one of the important news in my hand. Can you expect what is that news? Yes, friends. In our society, the most dangerous incidents and many things are happening and destroying many lives, people losing their lives with doing stupid things. So that's why here in our society, the first thing is women safety. Okay, here some many years some communities, some peoples in communities, they trapping a woman into love and getting marriage, then they converting the people in their religion. So in this process, so many women are getting suicide and murder and many things. We know very well what's happening in last 2 years and the last 10 years. Here the governments are making law and order against that cruel people. So you may listen that love jihad. What is love jihad? Okay, here so many peoples are losing their lives and their community culture and many traditional culture they losing due to this kind of invalid activities. So that's why here recently so many states in India they passing law and order against love jihad. Okay, some days back UP government ruled strictly against love jihad. Okay, now NDA government is ruling, we know very well, and many incidents are happening in Uttar Pradesh and many Indian states, not only Uttar Pradesh, not only some many states. Here, like that, not only Andhra Pradesh, not only Karnataka, all northern state, northeastern state, this happening. So here, our sorry, Madhya Pradesh government making a law and order against love jihad. Do you know what is the punishment if anybody found with love jihad? So that's why here, what is that news? Madhya Pradesh government. See here, friends. Yes, Madhya Pradesh government planning against love jihad, says Minister. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister brought in some provisions against love jihad. What is that? Here, see, friends, don't misunderstand anybody. Okay, here, what is this bill? Okay, I am explaining only what is that bill only. What is what? So here, see here, the government would table the Madhya Pradesh Freedom of Religion Bill in 2020 in the next Vidhan Sabha session. Yes, they are going to be pass a bill in next Vidhan Sabha session. Here, Mr. Mishra, Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Mr. Mishra told reporters in Bhopal, capital of Madhya Pradesh, they telling to media, we are deciding that the use of indocuments, seduction, fraud or dairies for marriage and religious conversion will invite 5 years imprisonment, said. Here, the bill would propose the defense to be cognizable and non-bailable. Okay. Similarly, we are making provision to declare marriage for religious conversion based on indictments. Okay. We need to submit a one document while we getting marriage. So that's why here for religious conversion based indictments, duress, fraud, seduction as null and void. Mr. Mishra said those abetting offence would be considered culprits just as the main accused for action. It will be necessary for those born by religious conversion or their parents or siblings to file a complaint. Yes. If any girl got married in interreligion marriage, in that family, one person can file a complaint on this process. It will come under love jihad. Okay, what is the punishment? Okay, here, do you know if anyone found with love jihad case, 5 years jail for love jihad. So that's why. As for those including the religious conversion for marriages, they should inform the district magistrate at least a month in advance along with religious persons organization the conversions. And the announcement comes after similar plans were made public by the BJP ruled Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Haryana governments. And also recently Allahabad High Court repudiated idea for religious conversion solely for the purpose of marriage. Okay. Never marriage for the religion. Okay. Here not only Madhya Pradesh, Haryana also. Okay. Here Haryana also making some law and orders against love jihad. So be careful. Don't trap into love jihad. Especially, I would like to say, so please be careful. And one more thing I want to tell you everyone. So this is the one of the major topic. Now what we do? Okay, what I found yesterday in 15 minutes English speaking session. Okay, the first I found some mistakes by watching my video. Today I want to tell that what is that mistakes. First, my defaults in last session. Oh, some less confidence while speaking English in front of you, in front of camera, and pummeling. I'm doing pummeling while speaking English and nervousness. This is I found in my last session. Okay. Today also I am not speaking one by one. So I am also giving some stop and then speaking again. So I don't want to do these mistakes in next 15 minutes English speaking practice session. Okay, friends, 15 minutes is over. Today my session is over. In tomorrow I will be back in next in with a different session. And one more thing, please support me and find my mistake and tell me what I am doing. What mistakes are my I am doing. So I need to know about my mistakes. Then only I can clarify and I can clear my mistakes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So please watch this speaking session. Nobody is not perfect. So I am also not perfect. I am trying to get perfection. Perfection is most important in imperfect. Thank you. Bye bye. I will be back tomorrow the same time. Until bye bye.